Hey, what's up everybody? Today I am sharing you a new YouTube promo pack because my channel just reached 25k subscribers and I am really excited. So thank you for everyone and hope you enjoy. See you. So here is the YouTube promo pack. You can download this file from my description link and just extract the downloaded file, and now you can see the folder, and this is the downloaded file. If you open this, you can see the font and the YouTube promo templates. First you need to install the font, so open the font folder and select all font, right click and just install. Maybe you already installed this font, so just click on and press yes button. Now after installation of font, go to back and select the folder and right click, copy the folder, and we need to move this folder into essential graphics folder. So select your user and here is the app data. If you don't see the app data, go to folder option because it's hidden. So file explorer option. If you use Windows 7, it's name folder option, and here is the view setting, and just click on the show hidden file and apply. And if you click on the don't show the hidden file, you cannot see the app data, and so show the hidden file and apply. And go to app data and roaming and Adobe. Here's the common and essential graphics. Just paste the folder into here. Now everything is okay. Now go to Premiere and window essential graphics. If you don't see the essential graphics, please update Premiere into CC 18 or 19. And now I will explain you everything inside the YouTube promo pack. And first open the YouTube promo pack, and here is the banner, and I will give you 3 types of, I just increase the window size, and this is the banner you can use in your videos, and this is the lower third, 3 lower third file, and you can use this file at the end of your video. And here is a 2 title and 3 transition. And let us check everything in detail. So I just drag and drop a lower third, and just right click and scale to frame size. If you want to adjust the position of this lower third, go to FS control, and here is the motion, click on and adjust the position here. And also you can adjust in program window also. And here is, you can adjust so many. You can adjust the scale, overall scale, and you can flip the lower third into left or right side. And you can adjust the width of the top shape, and you can adjust, you can change the text 1 and also text 2 from here. and here is the text 3. So, and also you can control the text tracking size, and also control your text and the shapes, colors and everything you can control from here. And I just change into yellow. So here is the lower third. Now we can check the info bar. So I just drag and drop the info bar into timeline, and right click on the info bar and scale to frame size. Now you can adjust the duration. I just change into 5 seconds, and also you can control the width and height of this shape, and you can flip and everything you can do. And just change the title from here, and you can change your paragraph from here. You can copy paste your data into here, and also you can do everything like lower there before we do. And at the bottom you can change the colors of this info bar. I think it's useful for tech channels and more product reviews channels. And now we can check the transition from here. I just drag and drop the transition into timeline and wait for loading, and change into scale to frame size. And you can change the text from essential graphics. You can use up next videos or anything. Yeah, now I just render this area for smooth preview. Yeah, this is the output. And you can adjust the timing from essential graphics window duration and freeze the time. You can adjust the timing of this transition. Yeah, now I will explain. Next one is the button. This is the you can use as a button or title, everything you can use. And here is a small title. You can use your at the outro, please share, like, comment, or that type of instructions. And so select the title and you can change the text, and also you can control the timing and colors and everything you can control. So next is the titles. I will give you a two different kind of title, and right click and scale to frame size, because every time you need to scale to frame size, because I created this project in 4K resolution. So you need to scale your project into your full HD or half HD what you created a sequence. So this is the title. You can change everything before we done. So hope you enjoyed, and you can follow my Instagram account and always do your best.